Hello, Lady Trends Lovies. I am your girl, Lady, bringing you your hottest news. Today we are looking at Uthando Nesthembu, episode number 2, season 4. Usnia wants her father, Samselegu, to apologize to Umacele, which is Umamkulu, for her mistakes. She feels that Umamkulu, she doesn't want to speak to her because of what she did. Apparently, she left Umamkulu sick, had flu in December on the 16th, and then she left with her friends while Umamkulu needed help. So now Umamkulu shooting Joseph Jelly with hi cha ngizomyeka uSneyo azenzele umayithanda wakhe but ngingisayixaka ngayo. So now uSneyo uyafeel ukuthi no man ngenza iphutha, let me just go ngicela ubabami ukuthi angixolisele kuyena uMamkhulu, but ke umselegu he refuses uthi uSneyo makaye yena ayozixolisela kuma wakhe. Then we're looking at Umacele lapha goes with Abongwe, her daughter. They go out as girls, and she's asking for the sweet 16th birthday, as she's gonna turn 16, and Umamkhulu refuses.